Welcome to the Hilton Los Angeles Universal City room tour. Come in. This is the entrance, obviously. Bathroom, which we'll show you in a moment. Wardrobe with a safe, some spare pillows and blankets, some slippers, some dressing gowns, ironing board, hangers, coffee machine, water, ice bucket. Come in.
And don't go drinking these because you get stung. Also got a little seaty stool there, sit on, put your shoes on, or in our case, storage.
Really spacious room
It's a huge room.
with a great view. We have a king bed. The sofa pulls out to a queen bed. TV, aircon, sitting area, desk space. We have a great view of Universal Studios. You can actually see Hogwarts Castle. Blew my mind.
I'll have to add a little bit on after because it doesn't really want to focus, but
Yeah, like,
it's got everything that a hotel needs, I guess. Only drama we had then was we had to go to a supermarket, which cost about $10 each way in an Uber just to get some waters and other things because there was just nothing here. So there's a few little things, but it's a bit of a schwanky little shop down the bottom.
pretty high prices for.
Yeah, everything's expensive there too, so
Yeah.
it was cheaper for us to run down.
They do room service here. They have a couple of restaurants. They have a cafe. Really good utilities here, honestly. Like, it's not bad, especially for where it is.
I mean, we stocked up our fridge, which is in the cupboard there. It's before just waters, soft drink, stuff for dinner. We just thought while we were out, we'll make it a lot cheaper, make it work. So, but like Ali said, there's plenty of sitting area. There's seat, couch, lounge.
A lot of room.
So, and yeah, having like the desk, everything like that if you work while you're traveling, YouTube, anything like that. So we can add rates and stuff in later. I can't remember what it was off the top of my head, but yeah, it's definitely a beautiful room. There's no...
And now I'll show you the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. It is huge. Makeup vanity there. Really decent sized shower.
It's a huge shower.
Body wash, shampoo, conditioner. We have a sink, towels, face washes, body lotion here. Toilet in the corner.
A little bit of artwork. Just stare up to your side.
I was really impressed when I walked into this bathroom.
It's big. Like the camera wouldn't pick it up, but it's a big bathroom.
Yeah.
And like with the location too, like from the Hilton, it took us probably 10 minutes max to walk over today. So
Yeah.
it's definitely
A little bit of uphill walking
yeah.
on the way there, be prepared. But on the way back, super easy.
Yeah, no, it wasn't a bad walk, just a couple of little hills.
Yeah.
They do have a shuttle that runs every 15 minutes, I think it was, each way.
Yeah.
But like they said, if you miss it, you're better off just walking because it's still quicker. So yeah, that's about it. Is what it is. It's a Hilton.
Yeah.
And anything else we'll add in, we'll splice in some bits and pieces here and there of extra bits. And
If there's anything we haven't answered, put down a comment down below and we'll get to it and answer it if we can. Make sure you like and follow and share the video if you liked it that much.
beautiful. Thank you.
Bye.